Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, or tonight actually, is a Clean With Me After Dark, and it is also in collaboration with Bree from Bree's Beautiful Life and Rebecca over at Rebecca Peaky. So I want to thank them for hosting this collaboration, and their channels will be linked in the description box below. But basically what I needed to do this night was to finish putting away everything that I unpacked from our trip. We had just gotten back a few days ago from a trip, and I hit the ground running when I came home, and I really hadn't had time or made time to put things up where they belonged. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. The first thing, please excuse the way I look. I had gotten out of the bathtub and I wanted to get this done before I went to bed. So my hair's up on top of my head, no makeup, so you'll just have to look over that. But anyway, the closet needed to be cleaned, needed to be vacuumed. My husband actually works out in our closet. He doesn't really use a lot of space, and he's got his weights over in a corner, so that's where he uses it to work out. I just have to ask you, what is your AC on or your heat on at night? We don't even have our heat on. It's 65 in the house, but it feels so doggone good to me right now. Let me know in the comments below. I want to take a minute to tell you a little bit about the two wonderful ladies hosting this. Rebecca has a great channel, cleaning, shopping, cooking, as well as Bree. Bree also has a lot of cooking on her channel, as well as grocery hauls, shopping, cleaning. These are two awesome ladies, so make sure you go check out their channels. And also make sure to go to my description box, because I will have a playlist of all the other great ladies that are taking part in this collaboration. You want to make sure you go visit them, and when you go to their channels, make sure you tell them that I sent you. This is my all-time favorite Mrs. Meyer's scent. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would click that subscribe button. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. I am so close, and I would really appreciate your support. If you like shopping hauls, meal ideas, home decor, home organization, then make sure to click the subscribe button, hit that bell button so you don't miss any of my videos, and I really do appreciate your support. show you today. I met up with a couple of friends of mine, and we decided to be crafty for our home staging. So I made this bottle, which I think is cute. And then I made this bottle, just decorated it. These are like, I don't know, the friend of mine that I went to her house, she had all these bottles. So we just decorated them for our home staging. So that was kind of fun. So I thought I would show you these two bottles that I made today. Kitchen clean for the most part, except for that stuff right there, because that is going to be a new video. It is a Hobby Lobby fall clearance haul. So click the subscribe button, click the bell button so you don't miss it. So anyway, kitchen is cleaned and ready for tomorrow. The den is clean except for that blanket right there, because that is where my husband sits in the mornings at the crack of dawn to do his devotions. So and he's very cold-natured, so I'm leaving that blanket out for him. But anyway, the den is pretty clean. I'm just going to leave that there because I'll probably want a foot massage at some point this weekend. But anyway, for the most part, it is clean and straight. All of my stuff from our trip is put away. The bathroom is straight. And the closet is, let me turn the light on. Closet is vacuumed. And I put all of my stuff away. So it is neat and tidy and good to go. Again, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me while I clean up after dark. Hit that like button if you want to see more cleaning motivation. And again, visit the playlist, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.